Hello, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with Vivvix. In this short video, we'll go over how to access Vivvix, what kind of information is available in this database, and how to create a custom report. Let's get started. Visit the library's website at lib.purdue.edu to access the library's A to Z list of databases. You'll find Vivvix on this list. Vivvix provides a top-level summary of the multimedia advertising marketplace, including advertising expenditures and occurrences information for more than 3 million brands across 18 different types of media. Please note that access to Vivvix is limited to 3 users at a time, so be sure to log off when you're finished. This is the Vivvix interface. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll find the main menu where you can access Vivvix methodology and data availability information, as well as profile settings and preferences. This is also where you'll find the logout link. Along the left side of the screen, you'll find the navigation menu where you can access the different modules available in our subscription. The Home module provides a combination of the Watch dashboards, in addition to quick access to other features such as custom reports and data availability information. The Watch module shows trends, media mix, share of spend, and property and market activity. The Explore module provides access to the custom report builder where you can create, view, and edit reports. Please note that any menu items that are grayed out are not included in our current subscription. Let's briefly take a closer look at the Watch module. From here we can view a variety of dashboards from advertiser trends to media types by company or category. With each dashboard you can customize the date range and media types shown, in addition to choosing how the data is displayed. You can access more detailed reports by clicking on any of the companies or categories in the graph or table. For example, if we click on Amazon, we can access media mix data, market activity, and competitive advertisers specific to this company. In the upper right corner, you'll find print and download options, as well as the option to return to the Watch page. Now let's navigate to the Explore module and build a custom report by clicking Create New Report. From the report builder, you'll be able to determine what information you'd like to include, how it's presented, and review all selections before running the report. For this example, we want to see what beer or wine brands spent the most money on internet advertising in 2020. Let's start by selecting the Media and Markets tab. We'll choose Internet Display for our media type and the total US for our market, although you can choose to compare data by state as well. We'll also choose to include all languages listed here. Next, let's move to the Brands and Categories tab. We'll select Industry under Category Level and choose Beer and Wine from the list, making sure to click the Add button so that it's added to our report. If you wanted to be more specific, you could choose your category and then use the Drill To option to narrow your selection. Next, we'll look at the Time Periods tab and choose Year. Then we'll select 2020, making sure to click the plus icon to add it to the report. Now let's go back to the Layout tab and choose to include Brand and Media. We'll leave the measures set to dollars and set a rank so that we only see the top 10 items. Before we run the report, we can navigate to the Summary tab to review our selections and make sure that we're getting the information we're looking for. Lastly, we'll give our report a name of Beer and Wine Top 10 2020. Finally, we'll click Run to run the report. After submitting the report, you'll notice an alert that says the report has been submitted. It may take a few minutes to run the report, however you can view the report status from the Home module in the Custom Reporting section under Results. Once the report is finished, you'll be able to download the data as an Excel file, CSV, or PDF. Here we can see which 10 beer and wine brands spent the most on internet advertising in 2020. Now you know how to access Vivvix, what kind of information is included in this database, and how to create a custom report. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parelib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.